Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. If you're tired of carrying around a USB drive, losing track of QR codes, don't want to carry business cards around, or just want a super sleek way to share your links, files, and social profiles, then you need to check out this Dot Band. This wristband right here is about to make your life so much easier, and let me show you why. So Dot Band is a NFC powered smart band that lets you store and share links, contact info, social media profiles, and more just by tapping it to a smartphone. There's no apps, passwords, no hassle, just tap and boom, you got it. I bought this band on Amazon. It was $29.99. They also make a credit card type product, but I like the band because I just want to be able to tap it on somebody's phone. So some features are that you have instant sharing. You can connect your Instagram, TikTok, business card, website, anything with just a tap. There's no battery needed. There's nothing to charge up. It's always ready to go. It's adjustable. There's different, holes that I can put it in. It's comfortable and it's waterproof, so I don't have to worry about taking it off if it's raining or if I'm getting in the shower. It doesn't really bother me, and it's a similar product than wearing a Apple Watch. It's secure and private. You can control what's shared, and you can change your info at any time on the Dot dashboard. So if you are tired of having to reprint business cards every time you want to change something, you just, with this Dot dashboard, you get on and update it, and it carries right over, and so when somebody scans it, you're good to go. Now I'm going to open this up. If you don't have NFC on your phone, on the bottom is a QR code. And so I think my only complaint about this band is that I have to unclasp it to get to that QR code each time I want to share that if somebody doesn't have NFC. I wish they would have put it kind of right here by this chrome circle. And that way I could easily just, show it rather than having to do it. So that's my only complaint about it, really. So who's this for? Well, literally everybody. Business professionals who want to ditch paper business cards and go fully digital. Content creators, influencers who need to share their social apps with one tap. Event goers and networkers who meet a ton of people and want to connect instantly. And even just everyday people who want a cool, futuristic way to share their details. I will show you on the website how easy it is to update the profile, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to show how simple it is to scan this with your phone. I'm simply going to put my phone, it's going to pop open, and then has all my information. Now if I was sharing this with somebody, they have the option to hit exchange contact. They can put their name, phone number, email, and leave a meeting note, met you at the coffee shop or whatever, and it would show up on my end. And they can also hit the button to download it, and it will save it as a contact in their phone. But you can see here it has all the social media links. Now we're on Dot's website. You can create a URL or a screen name, basically. So dot cards / Sparks Media Group is what I created. Here you have an image. You can upload a banner. We can go into edit mode. We can do edit profile. We can change our dot link, our dot code, dot device. We can upload a new picture. We can adjust our bio. We can put in skills we want to put in. And then we have all these different content. So I have a phone number, email addresses, websites, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. You can simply hit add content. There's different recommended content. You can add Calendly, Notion, Google Drive, Yelp, Google reviews, Etsy, Booksy, App Store, Google Play, Zillow. There's different payment links. So I could put my Venmo or Cash App, PayPal. Different music links. So there's really kind of a unlimited amount that you can put in. LinkedIn. Again. So I have a lot set up. We can put in meeting details, date met, location met, headline. You can turn all this off and on if you wanted to. And every time you do it, and when you hit save, it's automatically updated. So next person that scans it will see the updated version. You can have different themes, edit branding. Something I just saw up here. You can have profile insights. So I just got it not too long ago, but I've had 4 profile views. Since, let's see, if I did, let me see, all time. Okay, so here. I just got it not too long ago, and I've had 37 profile views, 3 link taps. Somebody clicked on my email once, YouTube once. So this is kind of cool. I was just at a conference in Colorado, and I was using it instead of handing out business cards. And then if you wanted to share it, you could put this on your website or anywhere really. You can copy a link so you can share it. So yeah, Dot. I'm not being paid at all for this. I just wanted a better way to, or better alternative to handing out business cards in a post-COVID world, and I found this. And so there's other devices that are similar, but I like this one. There's a ring, I think, that another company makes, and Dot makes a credit card size one or a business card size one, like I said. But I happen to like the band. So yeah, check it out. I'll put a link in the description to the product. You can buy it on Amazon. If you have any questions, comment below. If you find the video useful, give it a thumbs up. And that's it. Thanks for watching.